I got a lifestyle to maintain here. What kind of lifestyle, man, you filthy motherfucker? You got a pantry full of dog food. I don't see no dog. Dog in the bed, nigga. You lucky he ain't attack your ass when you came in. You the dog, motherfucker.
Every time I like turn around, I'm like, fuck, blood, it's like blowing on. I'm like, fuck. I mean, damn, nigga, why you can't respect the zone? You mean fuck every time like we up in your home. You like Star Trek, wanna leave a nigga in the Twilight Zone. You feel me? I'm your gremlin. That's right, nigga. 12 o'clock, I mean, damn, my nigga, I be hype. Blood, feel me? Fuck this ain't no frogger or no fraud, nigga. Wanna verse the game, I'm talking about, I'm the dog, nigga. If I am, nigga, I'ma chase the cat, nigga. You feel me? You know I'm at blood. And I love the trap, I mean sticky. This shit can't get with me. Like Winnie the Pooh, I mean damn bitch. You know I'm right on 4th Avenue, I mean Jinky. Damn, so bad, blood. Nigga, man, what it do, young fab? Like crash plays, I'm damn. You feel me? I'm trying to get this cash day. Feel me? Just get it, ma. Feel me? Nigga blood, I'ma hit it raw. Time just like winding down. You feel me? No nigga siding now.